Now I am going to tell a NDA short trick to find sum of the coefficients of odd powers in the binomial expansion. What are the steps involved? Just take the coefficients in the expression with sign. Then add the coefficients. After that, raise it to the power which was given in the problem. Divide by 2. For example, what is the sum of the coefficients of odd powers in the expansion of 1 plus x power 50? Take the coefficients with sign, that is 1 and 1. Then add them. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Raising it to the power, we will get 2 power 50. Dividing by 2, we get 2 power 50 divided by 2, which is 2 power 49. Moving on to the next problem. 1 plus x power 5. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 1 and 1. Then add them. 1 plus 1, which is 2. Raising it to the power, we will get 2 power 5. Dividing by 2, we get 2 power 5 divided by 2, which is 16. Moving on to the next problem. 9x square plus x minus 8 power 6. Take the coefficients with sign, that is 9, 1 and minus 8. Then add them. 9 plus 1 minus 8, which is 2. Raising it to the power, we will get 2 power 6. Dividing by 2, we will get 2 power 6 divided by 2, which is 2 power 5. Thank you.